Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drying rack in a Samsung dryer. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drying rack. The drying rack is used for the things that do not tumble easily. The main reason for the drying rack to be replaced is if it breaks and no longer stays in place, or is simply missing. To get to the part, we need to open the dryer door. The drying rack is installed this way, so these two pins goes in first, and this arrow shows down, so we're gonna lock this shoulder into the groove here at the filter lint screen. It goes in all the way like that, and then we're gonna lower down slowly. The rear end is gonna stay on the rear bulkhead like that. Then I'm gonna turn it around just to check if it's not catching it. So make us turn, and now we can close the door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.